I start off, I would love to introduce our speakers. Uh, Mr. G. Ashok Kumar is the Mission Director for National Water Mission. Dr. Rajiv Ranjan Mishra, Director General, National Mission for Clean Ganga. Mr. Nilachal Mishra, who is the Partner and Head of Government Advisory, KPMG in India. And my name is Ashish. I'm the Founder President for Green Dream Foundation, and I'll be the moderator for the session today. And before I begin, there's one thing that I would love to say that water security is not about just securing water. It's about securing your nation as well as your future. The trends are alarming, and we cannot neglect the fact that we're already living under a water scarce conditions, and India needs to be water secure as soon as possible. But while those buzzwords sound really good, the journey to get there is not going to be an easy one, definitely achievable. But what do we, I personally believe what we need to get there is an integrated effort of, because we see that, a lot of communities, a lot of NGOs, a lot of government missions, a lot of private limiteds, a lot of companies are working on it in groups. And for us to see the results that we are wanting, all of them need to come together and approach this in an integrated way. All of those missions, all of those schemes, all of those initiatives of community level have to converge at one level so we can see the impact firstly at city levels and then eventually at the national level. Otherwise, we might see a lot of good initiatives in the pockets, but we will not be able to really achieve the dream of a water secure country. At Green Dream Foundation as well, we've been working on a lot of IEC, which is information, education, communication, as well as action-oriented initiatives. And we believe both are equally important because once you have sensitized people, once you've made people aware, that's where the stage comes that you can push them towards taking an action. No action is big or small. You must have heard that right before as well. It could be as simple as harvesting your rainwater or even saving your RO wastewater to make sure it's used for other non-potable purposes. But to achieve that at a country level or a city level, we require all of those initiatives to be held at the ground with objectively measured and then incrementally enhanced through scaling up of the government initiatives. So like I said, I think there is a lot of focus and we have the right set of diverse audience here who can guide us today exactly what are the plans forward. And another thing that I believe is very, very important in achieving this dream of secure, water secure India is about fostering partnerships. Those partnerships at different level are going to lead us to achieve the results that we are looking forward to, that we have been wanting to. But earlier we might have taken those topics not too very seriously, but now is the time because the way the water tables are depleting and the way the consumption, the per capita consumption is also rising, we really need to get our act together now. So some of the key things that I'll request the speakers to focus on today will be that how does the community address challenges of water security in an era of unprecedented environmental change? We are hearing about climate change, environmental changes that are happening quickly, and that's not a myth, that's a reality, and we need to adapt. We need to become resilient to all those changes happening around us. Transition management and governance for water security in this decade, the role of standards in securing urban waters, what are the lessons learned from COVID-19? That will be very, very interesting. I was discussing this with Nilanchal's team as well yesterday. So looking forward to have some thoughts on that. And cities' response in water security. So